Hey yo, what is up? My name is Ishan. You're probably busy, which is perfect because on this channel we like to keep things sweet and short. No fluff, just quick and to the point. So in the next few minutes, we're going to be going over the best platform to use in 2020. We're going to be comparing it against its competitors, seeing its pricing, and all the cool feature sets that it comes with. So if you haven't already, make sure you've subscribed. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I keep these videos super short and informative so you don't waste 10 to 20 minutes of your time. So make sure you've subscribed, and let's clock in. So first off, this is not the platform that you have to use. This is actually a platform that I use, which I believe is really good. But as always, we back it up with statistics and facts. And so the platform is Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is a stock trading platform and broker which you can get almost anywhere in the world. Whether that be the US, Canada, Europe, India, Australia, or Bermuda, ibkr has got you covered. And the crazy thing is that you only need $100 minimum to create an account. And so to compare it and see how it really stacks up, I've created a full slide sheet to show you guys how it stacks up, which if you appreciate, make sure you drop a sub. So these are all the top 5 platforms that you can trade US equities in. So first up, we got obviously Interactive Brokers right over here. Then we got TOS or thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade. Then we got Lightspeed, Charles Schwab, and Robinhood. Yep, I mean, if you want to be, you could be a Robinhood investor. So as we can see, Interactive Broker is the only one that's honestly available almost anywhere in the world. thinkorswim is in North America, Lightspeed North America, Charles Schwab and Robinhood are only available in the US. As for commissions per trade, if you're in the US, they're all pretty much equal. Interactive is free, thinkorswim is free, only Lightspeed charges about $1. As for commissions, if you're outside the US, then it's only about $1 Interactive. thinkorswim charges a nice whooping $5, and the rest, well, Charles Schwab and Robinhood aren't outside of the US, so yeah, that's tough if you were looking to use one of those. As for charting, this is also pretty important if you're a technical trader. Charts are pretty good in the majority of them except Robinhood, because Robinhood is just an app. There's no desktop version for Robinhood. Trading off the charts in Robinhood is probably not the safest and best thing to do. Lastly, the account minimum. This is actually quite an important thing for many people because not everyone has $25,000 to deposit in thinkorswim or $10,000 in Lightspeed. Charles Schwab and Robinhood require $0, and Interactive requires just a small, nice $100. So if you're comparing Interactive Brokers to some of the other platforms, you can clearly see that it's the best for almost anyone, even if you have a small account. So now that you know a little more about Interactive Brokers and its pricing requirements, let's take a look at some of its really cool features. So first off, Interactive Brokers has an app and a desktop version. The app is clean as you can see and everything runs pretty smoothly. As for the desktop version, it's very sharp as well. As you can see, the charts are pretty good. You can also use all sorts of indicators by going to edit and then studies and then adding almost any indicator you want. The coolest feature is by far their Fundamentals Explorer. Going to it by clicking New Window and Fundamentals Explorer, we can see the company profile. We can go and see its recent news as well. Analyst ratings and where analysts have their price targets for Tesla. Currently, Tesla has an average target of 1,200, but we all know it's going to 6,000. And then everything in financials from profit to loss. You can also see what analysts are forecasting, and by far one of the coolest things is ownership, where you can see what institutions are buying, selling, and the overall trend in the stock's holdings. This is just one of multiple tools, and so the best platform of 2020, I believe, is Interactive Brokers for those trying to trade US equities. Commissions are low, charts are good, and it has many powerful tools that you can use to your advantage. So guys, if you haven't already, make sure you've dropped a subscriber. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe and like, and let me know down below what you guys think or what platforms are that you guys use. And I'll see you guys next time. Clocking out for now. Take it easy. Peace.